So today we are going with the refraction of light. Okay, so first we need to know what is refraction of light, like bending of a wave. So here we are talking about the refraction of light. So this means bending of a light, like when it will travel from one medium to another. Okay, how? Let me give you example. Here's an example. If we take an example of a glass, here's the glass, and if we insert iron rod or something, so like when it will go in this, in the starting here, the piece that would be outside, that would be little bit straight. When it will move inside the water, like here's the water, so when it will move, so it will bend its structure like this. So this bending is known as refraction. Okay, so this was the refraction of light. Now suppose we are taking two cases. Okay, case 1 and case 2. Okay, so here's the medium, air as a rare medium and glass as a denser medium. So now what would happen? Let me, so here we are taking the glass, and here's the structure. How? Like when the air, so now consider the ray of light is coming from here. Okay, so this is incident, and then it would be, this is a normal line. When the this would be gone into the denser medium, so it would be like this, and it would be normal now. So the angle here, that would be like reflected. So now this the angle of incident, and this the angle of reflection, sorry. So now let's take the case 2. What will happen here? We are taking the same glass rod, and like here, like the ray of light was coming from air, from like rare medium to denser medium. Now we will let move the ray of light from denser medium to rare medium. How? Like if we take this were, and here's the normal line. When it would be reflected, it would be like this. Okay, and the angle between them, that would be, so now what will happen? Like in the air, we know, like in the air, refracted ray will be bent away from this normal line. Okay, so this is the incident. So these were the two cases. Now when, like we know, when the ray will be moving from rare medium to denser medium, that would be towards normal. Okay, how? Rare medium to denser medium. But if when like it will move from denser medium, when it will move from the denser to the rare, or we can even say like from the glass to air, even let me write like glass to air, don't get confused, I have written same thing here. So glass to rod, that would be away from that, away from normal. Okay, so these were the cases. So now we are going with the critical angle. Like to know this, we are again going with the cases, or like medium, the air, that is rare medium, and glass as a denser medium. So now what will happen? Again we are taking a like glass first here. So now what will happen if we take, like here's the one, we have taken like three conditions, we can say. So first one is, this is the normal line, and the like here's the first is moving from this denser medium to rare medium. Okay, second one is also same like that, normal line, again it is moving from this to this, and the third one is like here's the, and it's moving from like this, and it's creating like this. So now what's the difference? If you take an example here, like let me write, here's the angle between that is 20, and this line is moving upward and this would be refracted. So this one is r means reflected and this is incident. Okay, so same here, this is incident one and here we've taken angle of 30 degree, and here the same angle would be reflected, and in third here it would be 90 degree angle, and the angle which we've taken here it would be 42 degree. So now what is critical angle exactly? Like here we've taken the denser medium, like glass is here and it's moving towards the air like rare medium. Here's the same, like it's taken from glass like denser medium to rare medium, and third one is also like that, but what's like it's going, but it's not bending there. Like here's the angle is 90 degree. This is known as critical angle. Let me write here critical angle. Okay, so let me write in a definition what exactly critical angle means. The angle of incident in denser medium for which angle of refraction is 90 degree. So how, as we take here we have written, here's like we have changed the this degrees, or like we've changed the values here. So now when like it would be, there would be one condition where it would be 90 degree, the fixed 90 degree, so that is known as critical angle. So now if we see how what, so here there is the condition for the critical angle, which is incident angle is more in denser medium. I'll explain you later. And refracted angle would be 90 degree. So now how, let me tell you. Incident ray is more in denser medium. How? As we know, here's the denser medium and in the above there's the air medium. So in denser medium we know the like higher degree is 42, so this means the denser like incident. Now we need to know what is total internal refraction. Sorry. So again we are taking an example of air, glass, air is in area medium and this is in a denser medium. So if we to take this normal line, here's the angle of 42 as we have done in the last this one. So 42 is critical angle of glass. Okay, 42, and here's the 90 degree angle. But now here we have taken another condition, the normal line, here's the angle is of 43. Okay, so when it will be refracted it would be also in the same direction, so the both angle is 43. How? Let me explain you again. Here's the air, here's the glass. Air is in a rare medium, glass is in a denser medium. So here's the critical angle of glass, 42. This line would be going toward denser medium to rare medium, like from glass to air. So it would be moved this direction. So it would create a 90 degree angle. So that is critical angle. But here, like it will not create 90 degree angle. It will move further more down. Like here it is going, and then it will again refract back. So this is known as total internal reflection. So like here this is moving to this one, this incident, this is refraction. So now total reflection would be reflected in the glass. Like total light would be reflected in the glass. Okay, or should I write? Let me write. Total reflect light would be reflected in which? In a glass. Okay, there was a 43 angle and it was refracted, so this means there would be no refraction. So now what's the definition of this? When the incident angle is greater than critical angle, light is totally reflected So what will be happen? Light move to denser medium. So this is the definition. So now light will move to denser medium and another would be incident angle is greater. These are the characteristics we can say. Incident angle is greater than so like here we have taken more examples. What is this? Like here's the critical, this angle is 50 degree, which is of water, and the angle which is be made here, like it will be reflected, that is 90 degree. So again here it's 58. This means light would be reflected, there would be no reaction, no reflection, no refraction. Now what will happen? Here's a 58, so this means 58, and when it will be moving from denser to rare medium, again it will be bend and go to dense medium. Like here even I've written light would be reflected within the water. Like here it was going from water to air, but here again it is from water to again same water. This can be example. And another example we have taken is of diamond. Like 25 critical angle is of diamond, and it's making 90 degree angle. But here if we go with this, so 30 degree we have taken, and when it will move again back, so it would be reflected. So total reflection